This is my view right now, and it's overcast and windy, and yet, let me tell you, like, there is nothing more calming than the sound of waves hitting the beach. Like, I love it even more so when it's rocks, like large rocks, but this sound, like, you sleep to it, you wake up to it, and there's just something super peaceful about it. And even if it like rains, that's almost more fun when you're in like in the water if you're not rolling like a burrito. But um yeah, you just, I love it. I love that this is my view for right now. um it won't be soon, but it is for now.